Hi, my name is Michael Abbey, and I am the owner of Enterprise Express Tax Service. Uh, 2019 tax season actually starts formally with the IRS on January the 28th. That's when they start accepting electronically filed returns. However, my office is accepting returns as of January the 14th. So we've started accepting returns. However, we will not be sending those returns into the IRS for processing until they start accepting electronic filed returns, which is January the 28th. So in essence, what it means is this. You can file your returns with us. It'll be in our system. And what will happen is that on January the 28th, when the IRS starts accepting the returns, we will process your returns with the IRS. All right. So having said that, there have been a lot of changes for the 2018-2019 tax season. As there's been the tax reforms, which has been passed by the current administration, and one of the things that we will be doing is explaining to all our clients how these changes in the tax code may or may not impact you. Okay, so that's one of the things that we'll be doing. If you do decide to give us a try and call us, we will have a 20 to 30-minute consultation with you where we'll explain a couple of things. One thing that we're doing, which I think will benefit most of our new customers, is we will do a free review of your prior year's tax return. So if you did a tax return back in maybe 2017 or 2016, and you're not quite sure if you got the best out of it and you want us to review it, we'll do that for you. And that's a free service. Obviously, if there are any changes that need to be made once that return is reviewed, then that's an additional service that we will charge for. However, it's a free service to review that tax return. We do welcome walk-ins. So if you give us a call and say, hey, I'm in the area looking for a tax preparer, can I come in today? All right, we do welcome walk-ins. Sometimes it might mean that you might come in and we might have 2 or 3 people ahead of you, but we are very, very fast and quick. And so if you do come in, usually we don't experience anything more than, say, a 20 or 30-minute wait before we can attend to you. And of course, if you decide to leave your papers and documentation with us to get it done, that's fine as well. We also have a service where you can upload your documents via an online portal. It is safe and it's secure. And once it's uploaded, we go ahead and download it, and we can give you a free, no hassle quote once we've taken a look at the documents and let you know what's going on and, what the cost will be. Coming to pricing, what we're doing between now, being January the 14th and March the 5th, is offering a one price. It's a special. It's $169 for a basic return. Basic meaning that there's no itemizations, no 1099s, being not for self-employed people, but it's a basic return. Now that it could be joint or it could be a single return. That doesn't really matter. What matters is the itemizations, because that makes us do a lot more work. Okay, so if it's no itemizations, it's $169 for your basic return. And if you're doing anything extra, like maybe you're an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or you're a contractor where you get paid by a 1099, and we have to do a number of deductions, then it's only $189. So it's between $169, which is the current special, or $189 if you're doing a more detailed or involved return that requires itemizations and deductions. Bear in mind that a lot of things have changed, so it's quite possible that you might not have to do any itemizations or deductions. But we'll only be able to determine that when you come in and you have a consultation with us. So we look forward to seeing you. I truly believe that we offer the best value service around in the area, and we're gaining more clients. We're getting a lot more busier every year. So I do encourage you to come on in, give us a try. We are certified with the IRS through the IRS annual filing season program. It's a pretty rigorous program that we go through every year, where we have to meet between 15 to 19 hours of continuing education just to be certified under that IRS program. We do, of course, offer electronic filing as well. And we can file all states in the entire United States. So we're not limited in terms of where you may or may not live. Obviously, most of our clients tend to file the federal filing or either Maryland, Washington, D.C., or Virginia. But we do offer the option to file all states as well. Again, if you're self-employed or a contractor who gets a 1099, we do those. So please don't hesitate to come in even if you have those types of returns. Once again, my name is Michael Abbey, and I look forward to seeing you. There's been a lot of changes this year, so you really need to pick carefully who you're going to choose as your tax return preparer for the 2018-2019 tax year. Thank you, and hopefully see you in the office quite soon.